this Wonder Woman locking wilds in there. Get her in there to whoop some bootay. Come on, lock them up, baby. Let's get some more wilds. That's it. Lock them in there. I need more wilds. Let's lock them up. Lock them up. Come on. That's it. Come on, give me some more. Lock them up, lock them up. Come on, Wonder Woman. With your fine ass. Lock them up, lock them up. I got 5 spins to go. Let's see if we can make it happen. Give me some good lockers in there. Lock the whole left. Come on. Come on, give me some lockers. There you go. I need more. I need you to lock in more. I need you to lock in some more. 4 spins left. You only got me at $10. Come on. I need you to really get in there. I need y'all to come on. That's a bad screen. I got 3 spins left. Come on. Get them in there. There we go. Lock them up. Lock them up. Give me some more. I got 2 spins left. Come on. Come on. I got the whole screen. Cheap beating up boys. I got 1 spin to go. At $18. Come on. Come on, Wonder Woman. Come on, lock, 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 lock. That's alright. $26 on that spin alone. Wonder Woman with your fine ass. I think Wonder Woman's like 90 now. She still look good. Hey girl, how you doing, Miss Parker? I'm over in Lake Tahoe, I'm at Harvey's, and I am on fire. I'll take that. Thank you, Wonder Woman. I'll be back. Man, I just sat down. I moved over there to right here, and got the bonus on the first push. Come on, give me something good. Rockin' Wilds again. Give me a better one than the one I just had. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's lock them up, lock them up. Come on, Wonder Woman, I need you to get busy. To beat your predecessor over there, Wonder Woman. Good job, good job. Ooh, they real tight up top. Come on, and expand. Let's get up there. 5 spins to go, Wonder Woman. Looking all delicious. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Gimme. Let's get it, Wonder Woman. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, lock them. Only 1 lock that time. That sucked. Only 1 lock. Come on. Lock, lock, lock. I need some locks. There you go. Woo! She kicking them with them hooker boots. Girl, you can kick me with them boots, baby. 2 spins left. Come on, I got the whole screen. I need you to lock. There you go. Good lock. That's a good lock. That's a good lock. I got 1 spin to go. 1 spin. Make it a good one. Yeah, it is what it is. Lock take it though. She beating boys with them hooker boots. That's a good one though. I'll take it. Thank you, Wonder Woman. That's about the same I got on the other one in the bonus. Hard. So, I'm gonna move over to that one and see what I can make happen. Wonder Woman. Thank you, Wonder Woman. Man, y'all don't believe it. Me and Wonder Woman is getting busy. We are doing it again. I won the minor ×3. I'll take the minor ×3. Yeah. Come on with them hooker boots, girl. I'll take it. That was the bonus. Come on, come on. I will take it. So if I get another bonus, I'll be back. Yeah, you see it. Me and Wonder Woman done hit that bonus again. Yeah, she like me. She like this big old chocolate Hershey bar. What we gonna get? Transformanding Wilds. That's a new one. I've never had that one. I'm still playing this one. So let's see what we gonna do with these wilds. I've never had this one. So what we gonna do? There you go. Oh, she punches them and they lock in. All right, girl. I see you. I see you punching. Gonna punch some more. We have 5 spins to go. I need you to have a super punch. Come on, cutie patootie. Let's go, let's go. Come on, cutie patootie. This bonus kind of sucks. Oh, she looking at them and they turning wild. She putting fear in their eyes, just staring at them. She stares them down and freezes them in their position. Come on, Wonder Woman. Okay, the locks and they transfer into groups. So I guess at the end, it all goes into one, huh? Oh, good one, good one, good one. Way to stir them down. Oh, good one. Give me some more. Oh, there you go. Spin around, baby. Where you putting me at? Right there. That ain't bad. 39 bucks. I'll take it. Last spin. You gonna do any more? Any more? There you go. Spin around. Transform them. Transform them. There you go. Keep on going, baby. There you go. There you go. Make it a good one. Ah, yeah. Thank you, sugar. 170. Thank you, cutie patootie. Yeah. Y'all didn't know me and Wonder Woman got a little something going on. We doing a little something on the side. She likes the dripness of the Slot King. That's what it is. She know I'm dripping. I got on all this little diamonds and gold, and I'm dripping, so she like it. She's showing me how loyal she is. Way to go, girl. Wonder Woman getting busy. In the bonus, $235 make ya holla. That's my Wonder Woman. Now let's go to the next one. Since I already got money in it. Another big win, baby. Hey, they got me over 800. Let's move over here to the next one since I got money still sitting in it. That's what we'll do. So this is the last one because they got 4 of them, and I've hit all 3. Now let's hit this 4th one. I think they call that a super trifecta. Let's hit that super duper. Come on, Wonder Woman. Let's make it saucy, baby. Let's make it saucy. I'm gonna just play what I got left, and that is $56. Then I'm gonna get on out of here, go back to my room and chill for a little bit. This is a good Wonder Woman round. I gotta think of a name I'm gonna call it. What you gonna do? Oh, girl. Ooh, what's this gonna be? Wow, $82. I thought it would be more than that. But it's still good. It's still good. It's still good. It's still good. Yeah, Wonder Woman likes me. I'm glad I got some white woman that like me. Damn, don't nobody want me. Yeah, baby. We doing pretty good on the Wonder Womans. I put 100 in it. So I'm at 129 in just this Wonder Woman. Give me the bonus. That lady over there doing good on that triple deluxe 7 red hot. She doing real good. She playing 25 cents, I think. Yeah, she won $30 already. That's a nice hit. Off of, yeah, she betting 25 cents. She just won $30 off 25 cents. That's real good. Come on, Wonder Woman. You the last one. You the last one on the machine. I haven't got the bonus on, so we're gonna try to bonus you. Come on, give me them bonuses, baby. You're doing real good for Big Daddy. I'd like it. I'd like you. I might take you home and let you meet my poodles. But yeah, as I said, I'm in Lake Tahoe. And it's about 100 degrees outside. I took the tunnel over from Harris, so I don't want to go outside. I'm black enough. I ain't trying to get purple. Get blurple. That's black and purple. Hope everybody's doing well and going and having a good, relaxing and health savvy because of this coronavirus, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it. I get checked every 2 weeks because I'm in a lot of houses every day. And they said it's amazing how I've been out of the country twice since this virus has been around. I've been to Vegas twice. Now I'm in Lake Tahoe. I go back to Vegas next month. And what else? I've been, from me working on my job, I've been in over 300 homes. And I've interacted with all types of people, and I keep coming up negative, which is good. That just shows not even a pandemic wants me. Ooh, oh, I didn't stop in the middle. But that's a jokey joke. But I hope everybody's doing well, staying safe. I'm gonna get off of this Wonder Woman. She ain't trying to give it to me. Give me. There we go. As soon as I said I'm about to get out of here because she don't want to give me none, she gives it to me. That's what I'm talking about. So we have hit all 4 Wonder Womans in the bonus. We got out of here. Alright. We're in the transforming wilds. Come on, Wonder Woman. I need you to beat the shit out of them. I need you to beat it up for me, baby. Beat it up. Come on out. Come on out. You gotta give me some good ones now. Come on, give me some good ones. That's right, stare at it. Be like, what you talking about, Willis? She turned around like somebody touched her hooker boots. Yeah, girl, keep up the good work, keep up the good work. Come on, Wonder Woman. I need you to do a little bit better for Big Daddy. After this bonus, I'll get off. I hope everybody can hear me. I got this mask on, so I hope everybody can hear me well. Hope you can hear me. Hope you can hear me well. I'm in 4 spins. Come on. We need some more wilds, woman. You putting them together right there. Oh, well, I mean, I got 4, 5. Come on, give me some wilds on top of those. Yeah, that sucked. Come on, give me some good ones. Give me some good ones. Can you come back out? Nah, come on. Ask your mama, can you come out to play, Wonder Woman? I need some more wilds. So, I got 2 spins left. Come on out and give me at least 4 more. Come on, Wonder Woman. Show me you still like me. There you go. Give me another one. Give me another one. There you go. Yeah, baby. Yeah. I got 1 spin to go. Thank you, Wonder Woman. Let me know you like me a little bit. I'll take that $40 on that one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Last spin. Come on. Come on. Give me some more. Give me some more. Give me some more. Now come on out and transform, baby. You put them all on that side. That sucks. I'm fine. Damn. That's still cool, though. That's $81. 81 in that one. So I thank you, Wonder Woman. I appreciate you. 141 in the bonus, baby. Yeah, this is a whole Wonder Woman section. I hit all 4 of them. Thank you. Pick it up, baby. Let them know it's a big win. Chinny chin chin, baby. Thank you, Wonder Woman. We dancing. We dance. That's how I throw up the sparkles, baby. I like diamonds and gold. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. I will take it. I am out of here. And I still got this other ticket. Where is it at? Let's put that ticket in there. That puts me over 1,000, don't it? Yep, 1,057. Now it's time to shut it down until later. Alligator. Hope everybody's doing well and having a good time. And just keep on grooving. Keep on grooving and moving. Y'all have a goodie.